Have you ever pondered how crucial communication is in the realm of leadership? Indeed, communication is the very bedrock upon which the edifice of leadership is built. It's the golden thread that weaves together the fabric of any successful team or organization, enabling leaders to articulate their vision, inspire action, and foster a culture of open dialogue and mutual respect. However, a recent survey paints a less than rosy picture. It reveals that an alarming 91% of respondents believe their leaders are ineffective communicators. This stark figure underscores the importance of not just communication, but effective communication in leadership. It's no surprise that leaders who excel in communication are often those who actively seek and embrace ongoing coaching and feedback. They understand that leadership is not a static role, it's dynamic. It's a journey of continuous learning, growth, and adaptation. These leaders recognize that to wield influence, they must first be open to influence. They must be willing to listen, learn, and evolve. Indeed, mastering communication skills is not a luxury for leaders, but a necessity. The first step to enhancing your leadership communication skills is to seek honest feedback. This is the key to understanding how you're truly perceived by others. Feedback is the mirror that reflects our communication style, strengths, and areas that require improvement. It's through this reflection that we can begin to fine-tune our approach, molding our communication methods to become more effective and resonant. Now you might be wondering, how do we seek this feedback? It's simple. Engage with your team, ask them for their opinion, encourage open conversations, and foster an environment where honesty is valued. Remember, this isn't about seeking praise, but about gaining insight. It's about understanding where you stand and how you can climb higher. Feedback can come to you in many forms. It could be a casual conversation with a team member, a formal performance review, or even an anonymous survey. Embrace these opportunities, for they hold the potential to unlock your growth. In the quest to enhance your leadership communication skills, it's crucial to understand that feedback is not criticism. It's not a negative reflection of your abilities, but a stepping stone towards your growth as a leader. It's a tool, a guide that can help you navigate the journey of becoming a better communicator. Remember, feedback is not criticism, but a stepping stone towards your growth as a leader. The second step is to earn trust through credibility and action. Trust is the bedrock upon which effective communication is built. It's the glue that binds a leader to their team, the thread that weaves together a tapestry of shared goals and visions. Leaders can earn trust by being credible and reliable. When your words match your actions, people take notice. They begin to believe in your leadership, in your vision, and in the path you've charted for the team. Being action-oriented is another key aspect of earning trust. Actions speak louder than words, as the old saying goes. When a leader steps up and leads by example, it sends a powerful message to the team. It says, "I'm with you, I'm one of you, and I'm committed to our shared success." This fosters a sense of camaraderie, unity, and mutual respect. Remember, trust is not something that appears overnight. It's a garden that needs to be tended to, watered with consistency and honesty. When a leader is consistent in their actions and honest in their communication, the seeds of trust begin to sprout. And once trust takes root, it paves the way for open, candid, and effective communication. Trust is not given, it's earned, and earning it requires consistency and honesty. The third step is to adapt to different communication channels. In this modern digital era, we are blessed with a plethora of communication channels. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, its formalities and informalities. It's crucial to understand these nuances to effectively convey your message. Let's say you're sharing critical company updates. An email might be the best choice, as it allows for a detailed, organized presentation of information. But if you're brainstorming ideas or encouraging team camaraderie, a video conference or an instant messaging platform might be more suitable. It's about choosing the right tool for the job. However, it's not just about picking the right channel. It's about mastering them, understanding their unique languages. For example, the concise language of an instant message differs greatly from the more elaborate language of a letter. Remember, your ability to adapt to different communication channels can significantly enhance your communication effectiveness. It can mean the difference between a message that resonates and one that falls flat. Adaptability is the key to effective communication in today's digital era. The fourth step is to deliver clear and concise messages. In the realm of leadership, the art of communication thrives on clarity and brevity. When your words are clear, you paint a vivid picture that your team can understand, interpret, and act upon. This eliminates the fog of confusion and prevents misunderstandings. Now, how do you ensure your messages are both clear and concise? Start by organizing your thoughts. Know your message and its purpose before communicating it. Use simple language and avoid jargon unless absolutely necessary. Be direct and to the point, but ensure you're also empathetic and respectful. Remember, your team is a diverse group of minds. They may interpret words and phrases differently. So it's also crucial to ensure your message is universally understood. You can achieve this by encouraging questions, feedback, and open discussions. Clarity in communication is not about stripping your message down to bare bones. It's about delivering a message that's easily understood and leaves no room for misinterpretation. Clarity is power, and power, when used right, can bring about positive change. The final step is to commit to ongoing change. Change, as they say, is the only constant, and in the realm of leadership communication, this rings especially true. Leaders must continually evolve and adapt their communication skills to stay effective. But how does one do that? The answer lies in creating an action plan for improvement. This plan could include setting specific communication goals, identifying areas for development, and outlining steps to achieve these goals. The key is to make this a living, breathing document that you revisit and revise as circumstances change. But a plan without action is merely a dream. It's crucial to practice these new communication strategies daily. This could be as simple as trying out a new way to convey an idea in a meeting, or as complex as learning a new language to better connect with a diverse team. The journey of improving one's leadership communication skills is never-ending. It's a process of continuous learning, unlearning, and relearning. Change is a constant. Embrace it and watch your leadership communication skills reach new heights. To recap, enhancing your leadership communication skills involves 5 key steps. Firstly, it's about seeking honest feedback. This is about creating a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where feedback is not just welcomed but actively sought. Secondly, it's about earning trust. This comes from credibility and action. It's about walking the talk and letting your actions speak louder than words. Thirdly, it's about adapting to different communication channels. In our rapidly changing world, it's about being flexible and versatile, and being able to communicate effectively across a variety of platforms. Fourthly, it's about delivering clear and concise messages. It's about being able to cut through the noise and deliver your message with clarity and precision. Lastly, it's about committing to ongoing change. This is about understanding that effective communication is not a destination, but a journey that requires constant commitment and effort. Remember, effective communication is the cornerstone of successful leadership. So begin your journey towards better leadership communication today.